Where's your bag? Ah, okay.
I put it right there.
Okay. Follow mama nak. Grabe ka busy dito ang airport sa Charlotte, North Carolina. Charlotte International Airport na kami. Goy, you wanna go first? Okay, follow lang. Nasa unahan pa tayo. Okay, follow me. Follow me, nak. Follow me. You wanna use the bathroom or you're okay? You're okay? Alright. Grabe, ang daming mga travel ngayon. Ayan, layo pa yung lalakarin natin, Goy. Letter, ano pa tayo? 9 minutes. Good job, nak. We gotta be fast because we only have 15 minutes. Nak. Sunod lang sa akin, ha?
Do not leave items unattended at any time. Do not accept articles from unknown persons to carry onto aircraft. Maintain control of your carry-on
Layo
items
yung gate
and
namin.
introduction of dangerous articles without your knowledge. Do not carry
Yan na.
items belonging to others. Note that all bags are subject to search.
Ayaw mo sa, mag-CR?
Suspicious persons or unusual
Ayaw mo mag-CR?
to your nearest law
Okay, kasi daming CR.
officer.
No? Okay, sige.
Good flight.
Okay, saan na yung ating gate? Hali na. Sightseeing pa sa Gueguela. Medyo malamig-lamig dito. Oh. Hello mga kaibigan. Wow, ang laki ng airport nila. Charlotte International Airport. Ayan, nalisto sa Gueguela. Basta gala. Okay, sakay tayo sa hagdan, Goy, para hindi na tayo malito, Goy. Ali, Dre. Ali ka, sakay dito. Ayan. Good? Oh. Easy. Ayan ang aeroplano. American Airlines. Huh? May Christmas? Oh, yeah. Ang ganda pala ng Christmas doon, Goy. Oh, let them pass, Goy. Sorry. Let them pass, nak. Okay. We're almost there. Pasakay muna natin si Krishana sa hagdan sa ito para maka-experience siya ba. Okay. Okay na. You can walk na. Wow, that's very pretty. Okay. Come on, guy. Follow me. Yeah, that's a big reindeer. Okay, now we can walk, okay? Para mas mabilis tayo. Keep walking. Good morning. Come on, keep walking. Oh, yeah, there's more. Maaga kami umalis sa amin. Nandito na kami sa Charlotte. Ganda ng airport sa Charlotte, North Carolina International. Oh. Wow, may puno-puno pa sa loob. Wow. Paano yan? Nabubuhay sa loob. May araw naman. May araw. Magkikita siya. So, buhay pa rin siya. Ang galing. Linak. Continue, Goy. A, B, C. Okay. C. Doon tayo. Nakita na natin. Follow me, Goy. You wanna go see the reindeer? Ando, no? Malapit na kami. Wow, that's a nice reindeer. Malaki. Wow. Oh, daming decoration. Yeah. Okay, dito na tayo, Goy. This is our gate. Ang linis ng airport nila, oh. Excited na? This is the last, ang tawag dito? Layover. First layover, going to Texas. Agoy-agoy is going to Texas. Ayun, mga kaibigan na. Malapit na tayong mag-boarding na. Ang layo ng kanilang mga gate dito. Ang laki-laki. Medyo mahirap talaga kapag very tight ang iyong oras. Inak, 5 tayo. Ay, andito. Ay, hindi. Ito ba? Ito ba yun?
Mom,
Yes.
can I watch the movie on your phone?
Saan ba yun? Wala pa.
But
Detroit man ito. Dito daw eh.
you're looking for C2?
We're looking for C5.
C5. Over here, Mom.
Yeah, I know. Maghintay tayo dito, Goy. Okay, find a seat. Let's find a seat. Doon tayo, doon. Ito na yun siguro, mga kaibigan, no? Wala man, hindi iba na nakalagay, Michigan. Okay, sit down right here. Sit down right there, Goy. Okay, you're fine, right? Okay? Alright. Ito siguro yun. Hindi pa nakalagay sa screen eh. Ay. Oh, at least, andito na. Dito na kami, mga kaibigan. Okay, tingnan
What
natin.
are you doing, Mom?
We're waiting.
C5.
Boarding in...
You ready boarding?
malapit na. Hala ka. Bakit hindi pa dito nag-boarding? Sabi dito boarding 8:20. Hala. Goy. Halika nga dito, Goy. Magtanong tayo kay... miss na naman natin to. Biskut. Tanong ako dito sa babae, be. They're closed. Sa mali. Good morning. Can I ask a question? This is my next flight. It is 8:20 C5 and they're not...
San Antonio?
Yeah.
Gates here change a lot. Let me see when you gate in.
Oh.
1977. I can help you on this side right here. So right now, gates here change. C12 all the way down.
Oh, C12.
You should you're on the board now.
12. Where is 12? All the way? Okay. Thank you.
All the way down.
Thank you. Sus ko, ano ba yun? Halika, bilis ka nag-change ng gate. Ayan. Kaya pala sabi ko na. Halina ka na nag-board na sila. They changed the gate number. You okay? Okay. You need help? Okay. C12. Sa unahan pa tayo. Okay. Just pay attention. Okay, hali na. Follow lang sa ako sa likod ha. Kaya may mga tao sa... Ano. Nag-boarding na sila. C12. Almost there na tayo. Okay, carry this paper. I'll carry your bag. Okay? Okay, sige na. Follow mama. Follow mama. Okay. Keep going, Nak. Keep going straight.
You took them to Delta already?
Straight head, Kushana. Stop looking with people. Kaya na, nag-boarding na sila. Ayan, dala ko na yung bag ni Agoy-Agoy. Andun pa sa unahan. Last minute, nag-change sila ng mga information. Kaya minsan, pag hindi ka talaga uptick, madidili ka, mahuli ka talaga. Wala pa naman. Non-refundable pa naman yung ticket. Bilis! Bilis na. Ay, owa na. Nagkagulo na dito. Okay, sana yun. C12 na sa unahan pa, ang layo. Come on, nak. You see 12?
Yeah, so straight.
Okay, nakita mo na. Pangit itong luggage ni Agoy-Agoy.
So straight.
May problema sa luggage mo, Goy. Parang kailangan mo ng
It's
gulong na, ano ba itong gulong mo, Goy?
keep going.
Sige, diretso kayo. Oh, nag-boarding na sila. Sige, okay lang. You still have time. Few minutes. Nak, go to the 12, ha? Punta ka doon. Ayan. Sige, sige, sige. Linya ka doon. Linya. Okay. Oh my goodness, hala ka. Muntik na tayong mahuligoy. Okay, stay right here. Pahinga muna tayo. Inom muna tayong tubig. Okay. Ayan na kami. Inom muna tayo. Inom tayong tubig, nak, ha? Inom muna ako ng tubig. Kuha tayo. Nauhaw ko kay hingal. Nahingal. Nahingal si Inday Runing. Inom ko tubig, ha? Inom ko tubig.
Can I have a snack?
You will have a snack when we're settled down in the airplane.
And what's Louie? And what's Louie, Mama?
Okay.
Mama,
Sige
and
na.
what's Louie?
Yeah, they have some TV inside the airplane.
Now you have a phone.
Okay. You gotta wait.
Attention in the terminal. Attention in the terminal. Julie Kuss. Please return
Okay.
to gate E28.
May problema sa gulong ni Agoy-Agoy. Pangit ang luggage na to.
Please return to E28 for your off-flight. Thank you.
Ay, biskot.
Oh, I can
Pangit ang luggage ni Kishana. Lagi siyang natutumba, mga kaibigan. This is not a good one. Pangit yung luggage mo, Goy. Ang hirap. Ang hirap na, ano siya eh, nai-slide si Agoy-Agoy, ang hirap niya. Ang hirap niyang iganon-ganon. Sige na. Okay. So, ano na, group number 5 na mga kaibigan. Kami number 9 kami. Number 9. So, at may time pa tayo, at least kahit paano, naging alerto tayo. Thank you very much. Si Kano nasa bahay. Si CG nasa bahay. Nag-doon si Chris ang magbantay. Gala muna ang nanay. Ang hirap talaga ng luggage mo, nak. Sus ko. Ang hirap ng luggage na Agoy-Agoy. Hindi ito pwede kasi...
give me this 5.
Hindi maganda yung ano mo. Okay. Ito na ba? Tama na ba ito? Okay. Ito na talaga, mga kaibigan. Ay. Oh, yung nakasulat sa papel, iba yung pagpunta mo doon eh. Iba yung nakasulat sa papel. O, ano mo yan? Napaka-busy ang Puan Airport dito. Ayan. So, ngayon, magkatabi na tayo na. Yung bag mo na, lapit-lapit ka sa bag mo. Don't leave your stuff, okay? All the time, nasa gilid mo lang. Excited ka na?
Yeah, I'm riding on it.
Yeah, you know there's a luggage that you can ride on. You can ride. There's a luggage. They run. They have a battery, but they're very expensive.
I
Mahal.
don't have to
Mahal kayo.
drag it.
Yeah, you don't have to pull it.
Can it do it by itself?
Ito kasi yung gusto niya, Mickey Mouse, pero sus, pangit. Pangit yung gulong niya. Itong akin, kahit anong gagaw, ikot-ikot mo, okay na okay, oh.
All standby passengers for West Palm Beach have been seat aside if you need a boarding card
Okay.
taken at the podium with your ID at gate C10. Welcome aboard the first class cabin. First class passengers aboard for West Palm Beach.
Ano yan? Okay.
In your boarding pass, you're welcome to board.
Ready na ang mga person.
No. Let's
Chaman.
go.
Not yet. They don't call us yet. They don't call us yet, okay? At least we're not really, hindi talaga kami nawawala or nalilate ba.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is important that you keep a close
Group
watch
7 customers welcome aboard flight 1977 to San Antonio Beach 7.
at any time. Do not accept articles from unknown persons to carry onto
Group
aircraft.
8 customers are welcome aboard flight 1977 Group 8.
Prevent introduction
Okay, almost na tanak.
without your knowledge.
You wanna scan your boarding pass? Scan your boarding pass, you will learn, okay? Okay, that's yours. You scan the barcode here. You put on the screen right there, okay? Alright? Okay. Ayan na. Few minutes. Thank you, Nat. You're very helpful. Thank you. Thank you for being good.
This is taking a long time.
Hmm?
This is a long
Yeah, I know, but we're here. At least we're here. We're not lost anymore.
Mommy, don't.
Starlink Group 1 passengers
Hindi na tayo nawawala. Ha? So ngayon mga kaibigan, sobrang busy dito.
Mommy, don't.
Magtingin-tingin talaga kasi ang nakasulat dito sa papel, iba. Iba kaysa...
Customers welcome aboard flight 1977 to San Antonio. Boarding all groups, all passengers to
Okay.
San Antonio.
Oh, sorry. Come on, honey. Let's go. You wanna go first? Go first. Ang dami mo din kasing dala, yung dolphin mo, dinala pa. Let me hold this dolphin. Ikaw talaga, oy, dala-dala mo pa yung mga dolphin mo. Eh. Go first and scan. Go first and scan.
Group 1 and Group
Turuan
2
natin to.
passengers at this time for West Palm Beach at gate C10.
Go, honey.
Seat changes because the aircraft changed.
Yeah.
Christina?
Yes, Christiana.
Christiana.
Yes, thank you. Come on, honey. Nah, baka may change na naman daw sa seat kasi nag-iba yung eroplano. Hala, ang lamig dito sa Charlotte. First time namin sa Charlotte. Goy, sure ball na, Goy. Hindi na tayo nahuhuli.
Mommy, this thing is very cold.
Be, anong seat number mo, Be? Seat number is 23B. Okay. A and B tayo, Goy. What?
Can I sit with you?
Yeah, we can sit together. Come on, go, follow the lady. Mm-hmm. Okay. Excited na si Agoy. Goy. Are you excited to go in Texas? Have you been to Texas yet?
No.
This is your first time? Are you excited? Magli-over muna kami dito mga kaibigan. Change plane. Change plane kami. Okay, tapos pasok na tayo. Thank you po. Kayo din, ingat din. Ingat din kayo mga kaibigan. Kasi ito kasi, di ba, yung mga pagsasakay ka ng mga ganito, hindi talaga yan, pag close na ang gate nila, that's it. Hindi ka nahihintayin. Kung ano yung oras, hindi ka nahihintayin nila mga kaibigan. Ayan sila. Murampas si agoy-agoy sa Texas. Narampas si agoy mga kaibigan sa Texas. Oh. Goy, excuse mo a little bit. Thank you. Kumuha ng kape ang piloto. Alam nyo mga kaibigan, yung mga flight attendant dito, napaka-simple lang. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, sobrang simple lang. Hindi talaga makapal-kapal ang mga makeup. Hindi makapal-kapal ang makeup dito. Very simple lang sila. Sobrang simple. Hindi required talaga yung ano mga kaibigan, yung pagandahan. Basta nakaayos sila at nakasuot ng kanilang uniforme. Presentable sila. By natural talaga ang kanilang walk. Okay na okay. Okay. Go straight ahead. Just follow that lady. Oh wow, ang daming ano. Yeah, you can go straight ahead. Yeah, all the way. I will let you know. I'll let you know na. Oh, hold on, guy. Sorry. Just straight it. Okay, it's right here. It's right here. Let me double check. 23A. Okay, all the way over there. Oh, on the window. A. On the window, honey.
Where? Here?
Yes, go. I will put your bag. Over here. Okay. Yeah, you can open the window.
What's my own?
What day? What? It's 28:20 and siguraduhin natin kay pangit yung A and B. So gitna ako. Okay. Gitna si mama. Okay, gitna si mama. Alright, mga kaibigan, nandito na kami
Mama, can I have my
sa
snack?
loob.
My snack?
Wait, let us settle down first, okay? Let everybody settle down. And we can dig on our bag, okay? Okay, mag-ayos muna si mama. Tingnan mo, hindi pa nga ako naka-seatbelt. Ikaw, ano ka na, demand ka na ng demand. It's not good, okay? Mag-settle down muna tayo. Get our bag, everything, settle, tapos, okay? Okay? Yeah.
Save your chunks.
Okay. Ayusin muna natin yung ating mga gamit dito, Goy. Hold that. Where's your bag? Your drop bag? It's right here? Okay. Nandyan pala. Thank you.
To welcome you aboard our flight with service to San Antonio. As you
Okay.
board the aircraft, you have a rollerboard. Please place that flat and then put it on the side like a book. So may come and
Okay,
get
mga
that.
kaibigan. Nakasitong na kami. Thank you, Lord. Okay, ayun.
Once you board the
Oh,
aircraft,
malapit na si Gagoy sa window. Kanina kasi, hindi siya sa bintana.
and then turn it on the side.
Hindi sa bintana. And you're in the middle. So ngayon, nasa bintana na siya. Yun kayong favorite.
To the compartment protect
Mm.
landing. Let's keep the floor behind your legs around your feet. Free and clear.
Ayan, kikita.
Take a moment to review the safety instruction card.
Pupunta na kami sa San Antonio, Texas.
Seated in the exit row, you may be required to assist the crew in an evacuation. If
Thank you po.
Oh, my son.
to be received.
Goy, let the window open because the person next to me is watching to outside. Okay. Thank you po. Ingat din kayo. Ah.
It's making rainbow.
Huh?
It's making rainbow.
Here we are. Rainbow. Sun. Sun, sun, sun.
Rainbow sun. Rainbow sun. Rainbow sun.
Ayan mga kaibigan.
Mama, shut up.
Wait lang. Mag-snack lang tayo mamaya, Goy, ha, kapag umandar na. Para hindi na tayo magbukas-bukas sa bag. Ha? Just let's sit like that. Sito, okay? Mong belt. Okay na? Okay.
Rainbow.
Goy. Ready na? Say hi, Dada.
Hi, Dada.
Tao sa likod.
Dada. Dada.
Si Haba, hi, CJ.
Hi, Dada.
Si bye, CJ.
Dog.
Banding muna kami.
Dada. Dada.
Okay, sige mga kaibigan, kita na lang tayo mamaya kapag dumating na kami doon. Hindi namin kasama si CJ kaya makulit man yun. Pag ganito, oh, ito, pwede na. Sa gagawin kasi matutuwa kasi dyan sa, punta kami sa Christmas Wonderland.
What's Christmas?
Pupunta kami sa Christmas Wonderland mga
Mama,
kaibigan.
what's Christmas for?
Everything is Christmas. You will have fun.
Do they have toys there?
For sure they have toys. You can see Christmas lights all over anywhere. There's some show. There are some
I love
a lot of Christmas light. Okay. This place we're going is a lot of happening para sa mga bulilit. Kaya dinala natin si Abu Abu. Makagala na rin ang nanay mga kaibigan. O sige mga kaibigan, na ingat po kayo kahit kita na lang tayo doon pag dumating na kami. Kasi, ingat po. Oh, nilipat kami ng ibang place. Malayo kasi yun. Malayo mga kaibigan. So, ang biyahe din namin, biyahe na naman kami ng ibang eroplano. 2 eroplano papunta doon ang sasakyan. Walang direct flight galing sa amin. Bakit naiwan si CJ? Iwan siya kay Dada Kano. Sa susunod, si CJ na naman. Next time. Okay.
Mom, there's 47 windows.
Yeah, a lot of windows, di ba? O sige po, salamat. Ingat po kayo. Kita lang tayo mamaya doon. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, my friends.
Bye-bye, my friends. Bye, Riley.
Ano?
Bye, Riley.
Oh, you hi to Riley? Nag-hi siya kay Riley.